Welcome, beloved. To make this scarf, you are going to need a double knit yarn of any sort. This is 100% acrylic. It's what is popular in South Africa. I'm just using what is affordable at the moment because I'm just demonstrating. And then we're going to need a 4.5 millimeter hook. And then, of course, you are going to need scissors. So let's get started. I love this color. It is perfect for fall, this color and brown color. So yeah, let's get started. We are going to do a slip knot. All right, so we are going to chain 100 and we're going to chain 200. I want my scarf to be a bit longer, so this counts as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is how it looks. Let me go and continue and make 200 of this chain. We are now going to the first row. So that was 200, and I'm going to chain 1, and then we are going to make single crochets. So we skip 1, so 1, and then in the second chain backwards we are going to do single crochets. So you go under, pull through, and then you're going to go and pull through 2. So immediately you go into the next hole, pull, and then we're going to pull through 2. So we are going to continue with this pattern, going back all the way back to the end of our 200 chains. There we go. And then I'm just going to show you one more time, and then pull through 2. So you go one more time, you go under, pull through, and then you go over, pull through 2. There we go. This is how it looks. We have reached the end, and I have crocheted in that last bit. Don't miss it. Now I'm going to chain 1, and then we're going to turn the work around, and we are going to do a half double crochet in the second row. So go under, and then in the first space we're going to go under, pull through. Now there's 3, and pull through. Let me just put this. Right. And we do that again. Go under, put through the space, pull through, and pull through. Let's do that 2 more times. In the space, we're going to go pull through. There's 3, and then go under, and then pull through all 3. Go under, and then in the next space, going to go under, pull through, and then go under that yarn and then pull through. All right, one more time. Go under the yarn, go in the hole, pull the yarn, go under the yarn, and then pull it through all 3. And this is how it looks. I am going to go back. If you're confused, you can go back and look at the video again. So I am going to continue and finish off this row. We are done with row 2, and I did my 1 stitching there at the last, and now we are going to row 3. In row 3 you're going to go under, and then if you look at your yarn at the top, there's 2 in the middle, and then there's 1 at the bottom here. So this is the top and then this is the side. We are going to go into this row here, this visible row. So we are going to go under, and then we are going to go under that bottom of the stitch and then pull through with half double crochets. There you go. We're going to do that again, and then we go into the next space. We go under, pull through, and then pull through. So yarn over, go under, pull through, and then pull through all three. This is how it looks. Let's do 2 more. Yarn over, go under, pull through, and then pull through. Yarn over, go under, and then pull through, and pull through all three. This is how it's starting to look at the bottom, and then this is how it looks on the other side. You can see there's a line here. So remember, there's the top, and then this is the bottom of the row. So we are going to continue and go to the next space, pull through, and then pull through all three. I'm going to continue and finish this row. I am at the end of row 3, and then I am going to put in the last stitch in here. Excuse me, I'm with my little one here. Alright, so don't forget to put it in the last space, and then I'm going to chain 1, turn the work around, and then we are going to do the exact same thing that we did in row 3. So this is the top of our row, and then we go under. You can see there's 2 lines. We are going to go into this line. This one does not count, it's the chain. So we're going to go under with a half double crochet and continue the same as we did in row 3. We are going to make as many rows as we would like our scarf to be. Once you do this a few times, you'll see that the line is turning around. And then it makes it easier because you can see which row it is, or which line to put your hook under. So this is how it looks this side, and then this is how it looks on the other side. So you continue with your half double crochets, and then I will let you know how many rows I ended up making for the scarf, and then we will do the edge of the scarf. Beautiful. And here is our scarf. We are going to do we are going to make the tassels now. So this was the last stitch. I'm just going to cut that off. I made one, two. That was the first row. 2. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the lines. This is so beautiful. I might actually make a jacket and maybe a skirt out of this pattern. I absolutely love it. Excuse the noise. I'm almost done. I'm just going to show you how to make the tassels. So to make the tassels, you just want to wrap this around your fingers, depending on how long you're going to want the tassels to be. I don't want them to be too long. So you're going to wrap this around your fingers, or you can even wrap it around something else that is bigger if you want it to be bigger. I don't know why all of a sudden this yarn is getting stuck now. when I'm almost at the end. You can just wrap, and can wrap as many times as you want. I started doing this. I would have added a few more rows, but I was scared the yarn is going to finish. You know what? I'm gonna cut it off, so I'm just gonna wrap. The yarn was going to finish before I finished the project, so I was a bit scared of that. Let's be quick. And okay, so just gonna cut that off, and we cut this off in the middle. Sweet. All right, so you're just going to take, say, maybe 2, 4, 6 each. This is how the tassel is gonna look. And you can get a bigger yarn, a bigger hook. Can get this, and then you're just gonna go, oh my goodness, excuse the noise. You're just going to go and pull this through, and in the middle you're just gonna grab the middle there, and we are going to pull this through and tie it around. So if you do this, you don't have to make a lot of them. You can put in every other row, like in between each row, like that. And then when we finish, then we can cut it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna do 5 and see how it looks. We're gonna go in here, and then we're going to pull through. Just make sure it's kind of in the middle, and grab that in between and pull. So this is how it looks. And then when we're finished with everything, we're just gonna cut it and make it the same size. But oh my gosh, I'm done with this video. This is how it looks, and I am going to show you when I'm finished and I've cut off. And here we are with the scarf. See if I can zoom out a little bit more. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. You are amazing. Have a wonderful day.